Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1965 Shelby Daytona. Now this is a tribute made by Factory 5 Racing. The original you're talking 7-8 figures, but this looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the Eleanor paint job, and this thing has a lot of bells and whistles. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications so you get updated anytime we do a video and you don't miss out on your dream car. The purpose of this test drive video is for you to get a chance to look at this vehicle out in the sun, virtually put you in the driver's seat, so it's almost like you're here. You get to see how it drives, what it sounds like, how it handles. For all additional information, when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com. That's where we're going to have a couple hundred pictures, the detailed write-up, all the information we have about it we want to share with you, and then also the selling price. And then, yeah, give our sales department a call. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. It's a street legal race car. So you just reach in, pop the door open. Pretty easy to get into right there. Door shuts nice. All right, I'm gonna have this starting up so the system can start booting and show you all the bells and whistles. Has your racing style harness right there. Not hard to put on at all. Once you do it once, you got it. Just like that, and you're strapped in, ready to go. So you see the updated Kenwood system has your touch screen. This has your stereo, which works with the updated speakers. You can even sit here. It goes to navigation. I agree. Do your map. You have your whole on-screen navigation here. Has your AC. Which kicks on, heat, defrost, everything like that. Has switches up here, so it doesn't have wiper blades on there. But if you ever wanted to, oh, that's a hazard. Sorry. Wiper motor works, so you can attach it if you'd like. Let's go ahead and start this baby up. I'm telling you, this is a street legal race car. It's amazing. This is my first time getting to take it out on the road. No one else in the shop's had a chance to either. So I'm gonna start out kind of slow, getting used to it, and then later in the video we will be opening it up. Let's go. Turn signal switch is right here. Has your light controls, your cluster gauges, tachometer, speedometer, volts, oil temp, oil pressure, engine temp. Drive straight. The steering's super responsive. I said, just like a race car. Like all the gauges are working. The engine temp's already up because I had to sit here running trying to figure out what everything was. So when I got in there, I could look like I knew what I was talking about. When you turn, you just feel like you're stuck to the ground, and a lot of control. I like that. Back there. I don't know how much of that's a license plate. So I figured if there was one car I'd probably get pulled over in, I'm willing to bet it's this one. awesome. The dash looks brand new. Let's open it up a little. Real easy to control, gets up into scoops. This thing is an absolute beast. Oh, that's a lot of fun. And even when you're up to cruising speed, you get on it, it's gonna kick in. An absolute blast to drive. Like I said, you can drive this around all you want, or you can take it to the track and actually do some damage as well. Get a little space between us. Sorry if the camera's hitting anything, I'm a little lower in here. Gosh, this thing's so much fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications. Now's the time to head up on over to volocars.com, get the whole write-up on this, and yeah, give our sales department a call. As always, appreciate it.